Make $30 per hour watching videos. Welcome, guys. My name is Andre from AndreNetwork.com. And if this is your first time to my video, I want to say an absolute welcome. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. I always like to know how far my videos are trending. And become a part of the family by subscribing to this channel. Make sure you turn on your bell notification because every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And also, give this video a like if you're interested in make money online, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, and work from home jobs. For my regulars, happy to have you here. Let's dive into things right away. Don't want to waste too much of your time. So let's get started. So the very first place I'm going to show you is a website that is called usertesting.com. Believe it or not, you can make money just by watching videos. That's the beauty about it. I know a lot of people are skeptical out there and say, is it really possible? But yes, these websites pay you money because they are bombarded with a lot of top networks, top companies, and they want people to watch their videos, doing testing, visit apps, doing all these kind of things. So you can get paid for your time. This is not going to get you super rich overnight, but it can get you started, especially when you have no money. So if you want to use this money to fund your other businesses, this is a great way how you can do it. And if you want to use the money to do other things, do whatever you want. But most people that I know take this money and reinvest it, especially people in affiliate marketing. They take it, they put it back into traffic. People want to open a Shopify store. People want to use it to do paid advertising on Facebook, Google, Instagram. Wherever you want to use that money, make sure you put it to good use, all right? So user testing is a great place that you can go. So usertesting.com. Click on where it says get paid to test. Once you click on that, it immediately going to take you right here where we just were. So if you want to scroll down all the way down here, how it works, you get paid $10 for every 20 minutes you watch a video. So you watch a video, all you got to do is get paid. So you're definitely going to need a computer. You're going to need a smartphone, something that you can, use it to make money. And if you're watching this video right now, I'm sure you probably have a smartphone or a laptop, so you shouldn't have a problem. So scroll down here, check out the videos, and then you're going to go all the way down here, and it's going to tell you exactly what you need. You need a PC or a Mac. So if you have either both, you're good to go. Internet connection, of course. You're going to need a microphone for some of the things. You're going to need mic, and you'll need an iPhone, iPad, Android. So basically, it's whatever, in order to do some of these tests, you're going to need any one of these devices and you're good to go. You must be at 18 years and older for this one, but I'm going to show you a website that if you're 16, you're good to go. You can make money and write money in. So ability to speak good English, of course, that's what you're looking for. And you got to have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, I advise you to create one right away because that's how you're going to get paid and you need your money. So make sure you sign up for a PayPal right away. And if you don't, if you don't have PayPal in your country, unfortunately, this specific website is maybe not a good fit for you, but I'm going to show you two other websites. Hopefully they are good as well. So these are some of the places that they accept. Africa, Middle East, India, Asia, Europe, Latin America, the Caribbean, United States, and of course, Canada. And then once you sign up and you're approved, man, you can start earning money right away. And yes, this is real. This is not fake. You can actually make money just by testing apps, watching videos, and all that kind of stuff. So that's the beauty about it. Second website I'm going to be talking about is called userlytics.com. So userlytics is just as great as usertesting.com. So all you got to do is just come through here. If you want to sign up, all you got to do is click where it says sign up on the top right hand corner. Once you click on there, it will tell you exactly how it works. So you get paid to test website apps, and you can get money to watch a video. So most of these websites, they have videos, and some of the apps, it's all videos that you're going to be watching. So you register, you earn money, and you interact with the web or the mobile app, whatever task that they give you. Make sure you just do it and get paid. So you can get paid anywhere from $5, $10, $15, $20, and you can make as much as up to $90, for having fun, expressing your opinion while navigating the web. So this is a really, really good website that you can check out. And yeah, these are legitimate websites. So this one, if you're 16 years and older, this is a place you can come, click confirm, sign up for it right away, and it tells you how it works, and you will get paid $5, $10, $15, up to $90 while doing so. So it gives you some information. Yes, whenever you're free, you can do it. You do it on your own time. You could do it from home while you're commuting from work, going to home. If you take cabs, or you're in Uber, or you're taking the train, or whatever it is, this is a great way how you can make a little bit of money in your spare time watching videos. All right. So the next website I'm going to be talking about is called Try My UI. And Try My UI is another great place that you can sign up. So if you want to get paid to test, all you got to do is just click either here, or you can go all the way up here. So if you want to click here, get paid to test, once you click on it, you can become a Try My UI tester, and you get paid to use website apps and watching videos and all that kind of stuff. So once you come down here, you could get paid $10 for each time you take a test. So, and each test lasts for 20 minutes. So what I assume for you guys to do is sign up for all three. So do keep in mind that whenever they have, apps, videos to watch, websites, they're going to reach out to you. So if you sign up for all three, that way you have gigs coming from all over the place, here, there, everywhere. So you sign up for all three, so that way you can even make more money throughout the day. And believe it or not, you can rack up easily $100 or more per day just by doing this. And of course, this is not going to make you super rich. It's just trading your time for money in your spare time. So if this is something that you want to do, to use the money to start a business or whatever it is that you're trying to do, these websites are what you're going to get paid. You're going to make money. You're going to make $30 per hour just by watching videos, testing apps, testing websites, and all those kind of things. So I hope this video helps. And if you guys like this video, give this video some love. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I always like to read and answer any questions you guys may have. And if you're looking for more ways of making money, check out the other videos on my channel, because that's what this channel is for: making money online, affiliate marketing, online jobs, just ways how I can help more people reach their income goal. Or maybe this could be a year. This could be the year that you walk away from your job. So I don't know, whatever it is that you're going to be doing. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.